Do you want to make this school year a year that you actually enjoy? If so, then you're in the right place, because today I'm going to give you 8 tips on how to romanticize school. My name is Rachel, and I am halfway done with high school. I am going into the 11th grade next year, and I'm pretty excited for it. But if you're not, it's okay, because I'm gonna give you some hope. Number 1, have a solid morning routine. Mornings are the start of our day, and they determine how the rest of our day is going to go. So you need to make sure your mornings are somewhere close to top tier, so you can feel good about the rest of your day. Some ways that you can do this are by making your bed in the morning, which I need to do more, eating a good breakfast, taking care of yourself, doing your hair. It's really nice to get the start of your day going. You can do your makeup, you can listen to music, and you can even get on a call with your best friend and get ready with her or him or whoever. There are many ways to romanticize your mornings, and they really help set the tone for the rest of your day. Breakfast is a big part of your day, so make sure that you eat a foundational breakfast in the morning. Some things that you could eat for breakfast that I like to make personally is like a chia seed pudding, oatmeal, porridge, eggs. These are things that have a lot of nutrients. They can help you to feed your brain and make sure you're ready to be learning that day. Number 2, have a school soundtrack. School is sometimes really draining, but what if you had a soundtrack for your whole school day? If you just have some background music to be playing during your day, I know I love to listen to music during the day, and it really helps uplift my spirits. You can listen to this playlist at school if you can. You can listen to it on the way to school, and that's just a good way to romanticize your school life, because music just brings everyone up. If you don't listen to music, then you're just crazy. Like, are you okay, bro? If you can integrate your music with school, it can make it better. Tip number 3, have cute outfits. Have outfits that you're looking forward to wear the next day or on the day that you're going to school. One thing I really recommend is preparing your outfits the day before you go to school, so you don't have to be rushing in the morning to get an outfit. And I also love to keep an outfit log on your phone. If you have an iPhone, you can do this in notes. I love to keep track of the outfits I wear, so if I don't know what to wear, I can just select one from those outfits, and it really helps you to not have to be rushing in the morning and doing stuff like that. If you have a uniform, which I do partially have a uniform, you can also upgrade your uniform by using accessories. If you're not allowed to use accessories, try to accessorize your bag. And when you have an outfit that you feel really good in, it helps you to feel good about the day, because you want to wear that outfit and walk around in that outfit feeling good. So make sure you have something that you feel beautiful in. For me, when I have a nice outfit planned for the next day, I'm just really excited to wear that outfit alone. So even if you're not excited for the day itself, having a little thing to be excited about really helps you romanticize the school experience, even if you don't like school itself. Number 4, we have stationery and organization. We obviously need school supplies to go to school. Like, what are you gonna write on or write with? You need that. You can romanticize these things by having colorful school supplies like color-coded notebooks, colorful highlighters, pencils, things that really brighten your spirits. It's actually proven scientifically that if you look at more colorful sceneries or more colors, it can brighten your spirits. And that's why if you have colorful stationery, it can make you happier. You can decorate your supplies, like you can put stickers on your notebooks, you can put keychains on your bags, you can make your bags. As you can see, kind of back there, I have a bag that I used for school. And also, it's really important to stay organized with these things. I know a lot of people, including myself, have a hard time staying organized with school, and one thing that's really good to help with that is having a planner. Now, I have a planner. It's actually this one. This was the one I was using last year. I recommend getting a planner specifically for school. You can get one that starts around August or September and then ends during the summer. This is one of the pages of my planner where I talk about what I have to do in the day, some plans I have in the day. I make it a checklist style, so once I do things, I can cross it off or put a little check next to it. Don't overwhelm yourself with a bunch of things to do in one day. Just give yourself a maximum of 6 things to do. And if that's too much for you, just put it down a little. Make sure you're getting everything that you need done on that day done. I also recommend having separate folders for different subjects or different color folders. You can get school supplies from Michael's, from Staples, from Amazon. Like, there are a lot of places to get school supplies from, and they have a good variety of school supplies that you can get. The next tip is to join clubs or go to school events. If you want school to be less boring, you can join a club or go to a party at your school or go to an event at your school. These are some good ways to have fun, even though school is kind of boring. You can join a sport in your school, like if they have soccer, tennis, basketball, and it's really good to try new things. I'm actually thinking about joining a new sport this year because I don't really play a lot of sports. I mean, I do play tennis, but I don't really do school sports. So I feel like that's a good way to go out of your comfort zone and try something new. And you don't know if you like it, you'll never know until you try. If there are no clubs at your school or you're not interested in any of the clubs, you can start one. If there's no clubs at your school, like at all, and you can't start a new club, you can go outside of your school and look in your community for new clubs that you can join. Usually they have like a library you can go to and they have clubs there, or you can look in your community centers. There are many places to find clubs at. I personally am enrolled in a chess club. I made new friends there and I genuinely enjoy chess. So if you don't have a club in your school, just look around in your area and see if you can find something fun. Tip 6 is to hang out with friends. Many people, including me, look forward to school because of their friends, and that's great. Like, if it gets you going, then that's good. And friends, I feel like they really bring school that spark. Like, you can just see your friends that you might not be able to see them outside of school, but going to school, you can see them, and that's something to look forward to if you overall dread school. If you're going to a new school, that's okay, because most of the time it's really easy to make friends. Even if you're introverted or you might have anxiety, that's okay, because you will find people who you click with. And even if you're doing a little project, a group project, you're going to find people who you click with. You just need to wait, and if you want, you can go to people. Just try to learn more about people. But also, don't let your friends distract you too much from your work. Just make sure that the people who you surround yourself with are people who bring you up and people who inspire you and people who genuinely make you happy. Number 7 is to gamify studying. Studying can be really boring. Like, what do you mean I just gotta sit down and write and read? And no, I don't want to do that. But there are ways to make studying fun. And since we obviously have to study, there's no way around it, why don't you just romanticize it and make it fun? One way to do this is by studying with friends. Like, you can go to a library and you can meet up with your friends and go over the work, and it's really fun to do it with your friends. It might be a little hard to focus when you're with them because they're your friends. You're gonna end up talking somehow, but it's a really good way to inspire each other and get to know each other. Or you can study in a coffee shop, because I know that pressure of being watched kind of makes people want to study more because they know that people are seeing them, and that just makes you want to study. There are also apps. For example, for me, I use this app called Thea. It really helps me study. They give you flashcards. All you have to do is really take a picture of your notes or your material, and it gives you a whole study guide. It gives you questions, games that you can do. It's really useful. It's also free. This is not sponsored, but I want to put you guys on, so if you have a hard time studying, you can use Thea. Alright, this is the last tip. We got tip number 8, which is life outside of school. Your whole life does not revolve around school. You are not your grades, although they are a big factor of your identity, I guess, because you're a student. They're not who you are. So don't overwhelm yourself with the work. Make sure you're taking time for yourself. Make sure you're doing things outside of school, meeting new people outside of school if you can. If you can't, at least have things for you. Don't always be revolving around school, because that's really stressful. One thing I would suggest is having a hobby. Hobbies are a really good way to get your creativity flowing, to do stuff that you enjoy. And if you want a video on hobbies, I can make that for you, because I love hobbies and I have been doing a lot of hobbies over the year. Hobbies are really important. They're a way that you can kind of distract yourself from school, a way to decompress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what other type of content you would want me to make, because I'm still kind of getting in the gist of doing YouTube in general. So watch to the end, comment down the pencil emoji. Bye guys, I love you.